Lion's mane, or Hericium erinaceus, is one of the most aggressive forms of fungi out there. And what we're witnessing right now inside of this agar cup is absolutely insane. I inoculated this agar cup with liquid culture. And not only did it colonize fast, but it's already fruiting, literally trying to climb out of this plate. This isn't something that you see every day. So let's break it down and see what's actually happening here.
Fungi are extremely adaptive. And when the lion's mane senses that it's out of food, it goes into a transformative stage, from colonization to reproduction.
In this case, the agar provided everything it needed. Nutrients, humidity, just the right amount of gas exchange. Once the mycelium reached the edge of its environment, it recognized that there was nowhere left to grow. And it decided that it was time to go into fruiting. How cool is that? Some strains are much more prone to do this. But when conditions line up perfectly, you get an early show like this.
We've seen this before with pink oyster, and where the lid actually meets the cup, we'll show an update, because I can almost guarantee you in the coming weeks, if not the coming days, that beautiful, beautiful lion's mane is just going to be dying for fresh air. It'll peek right through and do everything it can to meet some nice fresh air. From there, we may see some formations, but beyond that, it's out of food, it's on the hunt, and it is ready to continue its life cycle. Mycelium will do everything and anything it can to continue on. Its ability to adapt in almost any environment continues to amaze me every day. Now, let's check out our options. The first option that we have is to grab our MycoPunch, our automatic tissue biopsy tool. Takes the perfect sample at the press of a button and transfers it automatically to agar. This will add a new nutrient source, and it'll continue to survive and thrive until we figure out what else we want to do. But we have even more options. Our second option is going to be to utilize that entire cup, cutting it up into little slices and applying it to a grain spawn bag. From there, we'll let everything colonize, putting it to bulk, and then having some beautiful functional mushrooms. If you want to get really wild, you can pick up one of our super bags and you can do agar to super bag. We taught you how to do this on our Patreon page, and we can see that we have some beautiful success here. Lion's mane in a super bag, and in our grain-free bag, we have even more lion's mane. It's a tooth fungus. We can see as it continues to grow out, it just looks like little teeth biting into everything it can to continue to survive and thrive. And it all started out on an agar plate.
Either way, this is a great example of how fungi operate, continuing to survive and thrive in ways that blow all of our minds every single day. Let's do it the Fullsend way, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love.